YouTube's captions are not great, and I want to use OpenAI's Whisper in order to make it better. Because at this point, I don't need it to be perfect, I just need it to be better, slightly, with no effort. I don't want to put any effort into making them better, but I want it to be better. And on the OpenAI Whisper's homepage, you can see the View Code button, which takes you to this GitHub repository. And in the README of the repository, you can see that there's some setup instructions, do a pip install OpenAI Whisper, and you seem to be good to go. They don't mention it, and you can even install it with Homebrew. So the first thing you need to do with your videos is you need to download them. I've already done the first one, so I'm gonna grab the second one. And you don't have to worry about the quality because we're just gonna use the audio from it. Whoa, hold on. Before you do any commands, you have to know one thing. And that is how much video memory does your graphics card have? Mine only has 4 gigs, so I'm gonna use the small model, which is actually the default setting anyways. So I'm gonna go to my terminal, which is in the Windows subsystem for Linux. And I'm gonna navigate to my downloads folder, which is here. Oh, I gotta do the CD. And then you gotta do the Whisper. Add in the file name. Hold on, I forgot to install Whisper. I'm gonna go make a coffee and then come back. Still going. Sometimes when it fails, you just need to try again. Okay, well, tried a couple times, but I'm now running into this problem where trying to install MPEG-123 results in some sort of error. So I'm gonna go back to the OpenAI documentation and just copy this command to install OpenAI Whisper. I'm gonna do the pip install in a different tab because I wanna keep the information out of a tab available in case I wanna actually, oh geez, I don't even have pip install. What? On 3, I think it's -M. -M? Doesn't seem right. I think, yeah, it is -M, pip, and then paste. Whoops, and then paste. Oh, why isn't it working? Paste, there we go. That should work. What? No. There's no dash. Why do I have a dash there? There you go. That should work. Finally. Let's see if it, Whisper, help. Let's see if that works. Oh my goodness. It's taking a while. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, so the main thing that I'm looking for is we want to export the only one of these formats. Like SRT is, I think, the one that we're looking for. We want to do -F SRT. All right, so we're finally going back to the original command that I wanted to type in, and yeah, let's see it work. Hopefully. Okay, so back to this tab. -F, no V F SRT. I think it's SRT. Let me just double check. Yes, SRT. Press enter. Oh yeah, it's working.
One eternity later.
I ran out of time making the last video, so it's a week later. My shirt is a different color, but the file's ready to go. It's got lots of stuff in it in the SRT format. All I have to do is go to my YouTube Studio dashboard, go to content, click on the video that you want to update, click on subtitles, upload file with timing, grab that SRT file, and that's it. You just press done, and then now you have some pretty decent subtitles. Bonus points for those of you that want to make a script that goes through all your YouTube videos, downloads them, and then runs Whisper, and then re-uploads them. Perhaps there's a way to use the YouTube data API in order to grab the list of video IDs that are associated with your channel, and then going into YouTube DL or maybe YTDL Core, you could use those to actually download the video, and then you can use Whisper in order to process it, and then use the captions update in order to upload the new captions. And that way you can have better captions completely automatically. But for most of us, yeah, we're fine doing it by hand. By hand meaning we use AI, but we type the commands by hand. Anyways, hope this saved you some time. Bye.